Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome back. It is Tuesday, September 4th of 2018. I hope all of you had a great Labor Day weekend with your family and friends. So here are some announcements for today. Teachers, just a reminder that we do have a staff meeting today at 2:15 that will be held in the Art and Music Room. And we do have a practice storm drill that will be happening tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So teachers, if you can review those procedures with your class prior to tomorrow, that would be great. For our lunch choices, we have Italian grilled cheese with sauce, beef nachos, or turkey and cheese wrap, along with Fiesta refried beans, cucumber coins, there's those cucumber coins again, crispy romaine lettuce, apples, oranges, or applesauce, and of course, milk. And for today, for our pause, we're looking at working hard again for today. So we do have 3 students from Mr. Sally's class that will be talking about working hard.
Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff. And today what we're going to look at for our pause is working hard. So I have 3 girls here who are going to talk about things about working hard.
Never give up. Keep on working on a hard question. Work hard on a test.
Those are good examples of working hard. The biggest thing always for working hard is just do your best. Don't give up and always try.
All right, thank you, girls. That was very good, so I appreciate that. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, if you haven't done so yet, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, make sure that you're standing for our Pledge of Allegiance. Hand is over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, girls. Thank you very much. Let's have a great day back. It's our first day back after 3 days, so let's have a wonderful day. Remember, boys and girls, it's up to you to make it a great day. So you are play a big part in that. So help out your friends, help out yourself, help out your teachers and staff. It is up to you. You make the choices. You make it a great day.